how it is.
Dakota said it's closed. Close it. But do it like a game show host.
$5 off. And he watches on Twitch, so it's $5. No, that's a trip. Manny watching on Twitch, subsidize that for you. It's pretty nice. He doesn't even know you're home. Would have been $12 without generous support from Manny. Now it's only $7. Did you see Rally Call's, what do you want to do today? All right. $4.50. You heard me. Steve. Manny. Manny is a gentleman watching on Twitch. You can use $5. Thank you very much. Did he? Whoa. Is it dazzling? If you ring these in separately, if you let me ring them in separately, there'll be $5 off each one. Just me and somebody invite we have the discount set up here. $4.50.
Allie, get out of it.
What's a Fletcher core? Allie, Deal. Oh, and you're 68 and 69. Get down there, $55 to you. Rally call is a brand new sub. Who's this Fletcher Core person? What's Fletcher Core up on the board? No, but Rally call last year, but Fletcher Core. He subbed and donated, so I don't see why not. Oh, it's you. Oh, gotcha, sir. Gotcha. Gotta like that, we'll see. It's me, check my channel. Alright. Let's do this first. I have sent so many people food on this channel, says Rally Call / Fletcher Core. I'm in Memphis, so it's not moving around. I can say, real deal, bought a few socks. Alright, deal, do it. I haven't had the real deal bought this. Well, we make our own beaver. Somebody did answer that already. So my price can have business rounds and campaigns. It's like I put it against a lot of things. I don't get into this. Got lightning views. Scroll down, Beagle. There's a street address for our kitchen. One student. Lonnie, how'd you score that? 5 days out. To the barbecue sauce. There is ketchup, tomato puree, red wine vinegar, white wine vinegar, molasses, brown sugar, lemon juice, orange juice concentrate, lots of black pepper, fresh garlic, mustard, Dijon. Liquid smoking Worcestershire. There is Uber in Moscow now. It's a little hit and miss. I don't know if they do Uber Eats. I don't think. Sherry's. Where they're at. CSS. What's up, dude? Pretty bad. That's your core. Capu left, Capu C.